Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do a jump front kick. This is a tutorial for Taekwondo training. So let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is what a jump front kick is going to look like. Just like that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. The first thing you want to get into the habit of doing is actually the kicking part, which is actually the last thing that you do. You do it first though when you're training. So get into the habit of going like that. What you want to do is bring your knee up, extend your foot out, back in, down, just like that. Practice that for a few minutes, just like that. Then once you do that, you want to practice the jumping part without actually jumping. So just raise this knee first a little bit and then do that. So just like this. Just like that. Okay, so we're doing the first part that we practiced with just a little bit of a hop. Just like that. Then what you want to do is practice doing it, but not as high as you're fully capable of doing it. Like that maybe. Something like that. Then once you've practiced that, and I'll give you some tips towards the end. Once you practice that, you're going to go full height. Just like that. Just like that. Now, my tips are as follows. You want to get your balance right. I'd rather you be balanced than going super high to the sky. Get your balance right, and then you can go higher than you've ever gone before. In addition, you want to make sure when you're kicking, you're getting the right foot angle. You're not kicking directly up like that. You're not kicking to the side. It's somewhere in the middle. So like this. So you can see my foot is on a little bit of an angle. And that's it. That is literally how to do a jump front kick. Very simple. I've shown you exactly how to practice it and how to get it down. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.